Fahim and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time watching my video, I really appreciate it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So today's topic is Google account. Google account is very important nowadays because you are connected with your Gmail and YouTube with the same account and all other apps and services. You need to have a Google account. So I'm going to show you how to create new Google account. So let's get started. First you need to go to google.com and then on the left side click sign in button. Then open up a page, then on the bottom click create account for myself and to manage my business. So I don't have any business right now. I'm just creating for myself. So I'm gonna click for myself. Then a new page will open up. Now put your first name and the last name. I'm gonna put Fahim and the last name Tech. And my Gmail would be I'm gonna put it's Fahim Tech 2021. Now put your password. It's really strong recommended. Use mix of letters, numbers and symbol and use capital as well. It's optional, you can put your phone number. Now put your date of birth, month and your gender you select. I'm gonna select male. Click next. And there it is. Click the agree. Now your Gmail account has been successfully created. As you can see, go to your Gmail. Click here right now. And as you can see in your inbox, Google community just sent you a welcome email. Hi Fahim, welcome to Google. Your new account comes with access to Google products, apps and services. And I hope this video might be helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and thanks for watching my video.